This isn't your average salad. This is a crispy chicken caprese on a whole other level. Start with crispy air-fried breaded chicken, air-fried at 400 degrees for 15 minutes and flip it halfway through. This would be a good time to toast up a few slices of Italian bread too. When the chicken comes out, it'll be golden and crispy. Listen to the crunch of that crispy chicken as I slice it into strips. Next, slice up a large garden fresh tomato. Then on a plate, lay down a few crispy romaine lettuce leaves. Yeah, we're giving it some crunch. Lay on a few thick slices of fresh mozzarella. Then add those tomato slices on top. I added a handful of green olives in the center. I really like these sliced Italian cherry peppers. Just a few slices if you're into a little heat. I'm also going to need some fresh basil. No need to cut it, I'm just going to use the whole leaf. And it smells like summer in Italy here. More mozzarella followed by the crispy chicken slices. Drizzle some good extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Don't drown it, just give it a kiss. And the last thing I like to add is thinly sliced prosciutto di Parma. Don't skimp on this salad, every bite needs a little of everything.